Alright, I'm doing a quick video on Diagnostic on this Electrolux front washer, model and serial number. And the problem is the unit is filled with water, door lock, and no operation. So got the water out. The door actually just popped open as soon as I was trying to take the top lid off, but I got that all open now. And I noticed when I first came that water was running down in this little corner here. You could see all the rust. So that tells me that when I saw that, it tells me that water been dripping in this area constantly like that for a period of time. So I knew I had to see what was going on in this corner here. So I took the ring off the boot and opened the boot, and as soon as I opened it, I noticed that area there was wet. So I know there's a hole in the boot here somewhere. So, and this boot looked like it was rubber boot, that's what they call it. It looked like it was recently replaced. But if you look, you could see the actual little pinhole right there where it's leaking out of. Alright, so this rubber boot needs to be replaced along with the retaining rings that support the boot. That was all rusted out because it was leaking over the front. And the reason why water was in that corner, you could see all the rust there, which was coming from a prolonged drip from the dispenser assembly. They have a lot of issue with the dispenser assembly where water will kind of drips out and eventually rust and cause a mess there. So the rubber gasket needs to be replaced along with the retaining rings, and also the drain pump assembly needs to be replaced.